I'll give you one task. Open LinkedIn, YouTube, or Twitter right now, and you will see the exact same panic everywhere. Claude AI is building full applications, ChatGPT is writing flawless Python codes, Copilot is debugging in absolute seconds. And the question hitting every tech professional's mind is my software engineering career completely over? The real answer is, if you are just writing basic functions, you should be absolutely terrified. But if you are understanding the real game, you are about to make more money than ever before. So basically, the software industry is splitting into two clear points and the two clear paths as well. So by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly why software engineers will survive AI and the 3 skills you need to upgrade in yourself that will help you to move from simple coder to an untouchable tech leader. My name is Ritik Raj. I'm working as a global HR recruiter and I've done a deep research and deep work to present you this video. So please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So first, let's understand what is the actual difference between a coder and a software engineer in this AI era. So in one hand, a coder takes a perfectly written instructions from a manager and they simply translates into a syntax. AI is 100 times better than the coder and faster at doing this as well. But on the other hand, a software engineer, they figure out what needs to be built in the first place with proper human logic and understanding how to generate profit from market. And AI does not understand basic business logic. It does not know why a customer is declining their shopping cart. It does not know how to negotiate with a stubborn client who wants a feature that makes absolute no sense. In the current market, tech companies are realizing that AI are okay to writing codes, but they desperately needs a human, a proper human, to tell the AI what codes to write and how to connect it securely to the rest of the business. Now let's talk about the 3-step survival blueprint, the exact 3 pivots you must make today to secure your tech job in the AI era. Step 1 is becoming a system architect. Yes. So stop worrying about memorizing syntax. Your new job is not to memorize syntax. Your new job is architecture, software architecture. Yes. You need to know how the database connects to the cloud, how the API handles security, and how the entire system scales when 1 million user logins. When AI generates 1,000 lines of code, somebody need to know where it fits into the bigger picture. That's it. You become the director and AI becomes your camera crew. You are actually guiding AI to do things. Step 2 is master AI debugging and security. Yes, we are very well aware that AI writes code incredibly fast, faster than any human can write. But at the same time, it also writes vulnerable, buggy codes incredibly fast as well. And because of this, companies are absolutely terrified of an AI model causing a massive data breach. So, with all these AI generated worries, if in the current market, if you can position yourself as the engineer who audits, secures and debugs AI generated code, you become the most valuable person in the room. You move from writing the apps to protecting the company's entire infrastructure, and you become absolutely madly valuable for the company. Step 3 is you have to build a deep domain expertise. Yes, you can no longer just be a Java developer or a Python developer or a BI developer. You have to be a proper specialist who can own an entire domain, like fintech developer or a healthcare system engineer or an ETL expert. Yes. See, what I want to say is AI knows the code, but it does not know the strict government regulations for banking or the complex compliance rules for the healthcare industry. So you don't dare to compete with AI in terms of writing codes, because you can never win that. Compete with AI where you can actually beat AI. So basically, if you have a deep knowledge of this specific industry you work in, then you are absolute superstar of your work and the business cannot replace you. The business cannot replace you because purely you are bringing domain knowledge and context that generic AI models simply don't possess, and it is never going to possess for sure. So overall, the bigger picture, what I wanted to convey is software engineering is not dying, it is evolving, and evolving really fast. But those ones who leverage AI to build a faster focus on security and understand the business business will become absolute unstoppable. That's it for the video, guys. I hope it has helped you understand the future of software engineering and how software engineering roles are evolving right now and how companies are hiring for these roles as well. I hope I have helped you understand these things. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any further queries or if you want me to cover any particular topic as well, drop a comment below and I will make sure that I reply to that. With that note, I thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video very soon.